үрлэгээр ирднэ гэдэг юм уу? Би одоо Дархангийн маш компани захирал. Манайд бол одоо USAID төслийн нөхдөд бидэнд бол Америкаас мэрэгжилтэй авчирч одоо манай дээр ажиллуулсан. Нөгөө талаар бол одоо USAID төсөл Вагнер Азтай биднийг холбож өгч байна. За нөгөө нэг том жишээ бол одоо оюут толгойтой бас одоо биднийг холбоход чухал хүн нэмэр оруулсан гэж үзэж байгаа.
The Geomash thing is a classic case where now that's getting into the core of our business. We found out about this company. I'll tell you, we were exceedingly skeptical about the ability of this company to be able to meet our needs. What we liked most was their can-do attitude, to be honest. And you can see the results today. We're moving forward, and we believe that with some more investment, we can help them grow their business, and they can be a viable solution provider for us. And it's a win-win. Oh, it's definitely a win-win. It really is. We want them to be successful. I mean, that's the key. And we think, more importantly, they want to be successful. Because you can't put that attitude into a supplier. They've got to want to do it as well.